All right, so I recently changed my computer, and I noticed that the automation point amount was reduced for some reason, and I hadn't played around with that in a while, and so I figured I could just go into this a little bit. So basically, what was happening was I do a lot of automations by hand on the board here. So let's just make sure I'm not fucking anything up. So I'll just follow my vocals and print stuff, and so you get all these points here. What was happening was, yeah, let me just go switch it back. So this was set up at 50. I had changed this in the past in my older versions, so let's just go to the extremities to see the difference. And I had just forgotten about it. So basically, this is what was happening. So I'm doing, boom, just rounding it off, making it like, you know, just a few points and the problem is I was losing all my automation resolution. So if I'm automating a vocal, like I really want to get the natural feel of it. Like I'm gonna like need all the little details. So basically you have the automations panel. If you don't have it, it's here. If you right click on that top bar, you can just select or deselect it, called automation mode. Then you see that this appears here. And then in here, this is your whole panel. So this is where all the functions are. Your settings on this gear, and it's called reduction level. I was having a hard time finding it because I didn't associate that to be the reduction level. I think it might have been called something else in the past, but anyways, so that's what it is. So if you turn the reduction level all the way down, you'll get more points, I guess, being they'll reduce the amount of volume points less, so they'll keep all they'll just keep tracking it all. Boom, they're all like all the info's there. So yeah, so anyway, so that's pretty practical for anyone doing automations by hand on a fader or a console or something. Anyways, that's it.